Hi everyone. Let's talk about a subject you might not have given a lot of thought to, but there are actually some guidelines behind it you might need to know. And that is, how do I fire a client? Hopefully you don't ever have to have that situation, but there are times where personalities just don't meet up and we need to fire a client. So I wanted to go over some guidelines to that. In my own brokerage, I had an agent ask me that the other day and wanted to know what the procedure was, because you do not just fire them. And why is that? Because ultimately the broker owns every buyer and seller there is. So you as an agent do not just get the right to fire them without talking to your broker. So that's the number one thing that you need to do, is contact your broker and say, hey, I have this client, be it a buyer or a seller. We aren't just meshing and I need to release them, or I need to be the one not working with them anymore. From there, your broker's going to determine if they will allow you to terminate it completely and release the client from the brokerage, or if they may try to save it and reassign them to someone else who may be a better fit. And then you can work out whatever terms there is, or if you want a referral fee for that to the other agent to have it. That's all between you and your broker. But it's very important to know, yes, you can fire clients, but no, you cannot do it without your broker involved. They must be part of the conversation, because in the end, your listing agreements and buyer agreements are with the brokerage. They are not with you individually. So hopefully that clears up some answers, and there are some proper ways to go through that. I'll let your broker determine what that process is, but always remember, it's better to end a relationship well than to get 50,000 bad reviews or comments from the person that you're not in a great relationship with. I can never answer any questions or help you. I'm Missy Stegers, broker owner of M. Stegers Realty Partners, and we're happy to take your questions.